tell us what your team name is and tell us more about it.
So, St. Mellon Sharks.
St. Mellon Sharks.
We're Powerhouse Panthers.
Yeah, from Llanedin. We're all 14, 15.
Our team is North Ely.
Ely and Kyra Wolves Football Club.
Oh, welcome, mate. You're speaking to the champs. You're speaking to the champs, mate.
Yeah,
so.
you know what? Easy clean up, obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, well, as Steve said, we're part of the youth service ourselves, so we're lucky enough to be able to work with these kids constantly. Like I said, tonight was our time to get one back on them, so brilliant.
How did you find tonight, Wendy?
It was fun, entertaining, it was really good. It was a really good sport that we done, like once in a time.
We were 5th, so we could have made it, but
Pretty challenging. It was a good laugh from the mates and
What did you enjoy the most?
goal scoring, the boys being on the pitch and stuff, having a good laugh.
I like the social aspects of it, meeting new people, playing against different people. It's all fun, all good.
Oh, it was really good. I found it was really organised. A load of people came, to be fair, like from all across the city, which was actually quite nice. Yeah, I just think the whole evening went really well, to be fair.
Should Cardiff Youth Service run more activities like that?
I reckon they should, yeah. It's a bit of fun, innit, to do.
Yeah, I reckon they should.
Yes, it's really fun and we like get to know each other, play with each other and have fun.
Yeah, definitely.
I think it was really good.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely, 100%. I know we've done a couple of things in the past, like we did the Aquafest not too long ago. This, again, a major success, so it'd be nice to see what the youth service has got planned in the future, yeah, definitely.
I think it was excellent to see the staff going over on all the kids that have been winding us up for over a year or so. And obviously, like Steve said, there was everyone all over from different centres. It was competitive, enjoyable, so it was a good laugh, really good.